Out here at Chartiers, Jim Westwood, we're on Fillmore. Jim just hooked into something huge. He's going to try to bring it in here. Let's see what happens. It's strip and drag right now, so let's see what we got here.
It's got to be a carp.
You think?
Yeah, it's coming right towards you.
Oh, I don't want it to touch me.
Right at you.
Carp.
Fit in his mouth.
I couldn't tell. The way he jumped, it looked like it though.
This thing ate a spinnerbait.
I think it did. The way he came up and went back down, I think it. Is it okay?
Yeah,
Foul hook carp. It's a good one though, huh? It's a good size one. I know. At this point, it's like, come on, fish. There he is. Nice beast of a carp. Hooked in the side of the spinnerbait, dragging a spinnerbait on the bottom. That's how the smallie's been hitting today. Why can't I ever catch one of those?
You're not dragging a spinnerbait across the bottom.
Folks, you see this? Look at this carp. I never catch those. Never. He catches them all the time. I never catch them. He catches on spinnerbaits, rattle traps. Way to get it, Jim Westwood. Way to foul hook a carp.
Yeah, I gotta snag him.
Snag him and drag him. Snagging him and dragging him.